In this video, we listed the 20 best cooking gadgets for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Flour Mesh Sifter. The Flour Mesh Sifter is an essential tool for baking enthusiasts and professionals, designed to ensure fine and uniform flour texture while eliminating lumps. Available as a new 2-in-1 pastry baking tool, this stainless steel sifter offers durability and efficiency for a variety of baking tasks. The Mesh Sift Cup is particularly suited for sifting flour, icing sugar, cocoa powder, and other fine ingredients to achieve smooth and airy mixtures in baking recipes. Key features: stainless steel construction, durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. Mesh design provides even sifting for lump-free results. Cup format, ergonomically designed for ease of use, with a comfortable grip and simple operation. Versatility, suitable for flour sifting, sugar dusting, and other baking applications. Convenience, compact and lightweight, making it a handy addition to any kitchen. Product 2. Product name: Electric Kettle. The 1800W 1.8L electric kettle is a highly efficient and versatile home appliance designed for fast and convenient water heating. Combining modern aesthetics with practical functionality, this electric kettle is ideal for boiling water for tea, coffee, instant noodles, or other hot beverages. Its sleek design features a glass and stainless steel construction, ensuring durability, safety, and a stylish addition to any kitchen. Key features: powerful performance. With 1800W of power, the kettle heats water quickly, reducing wait time and enhancing energy efficiency. Generous capacity. The 1.8L capacity makes it suitable for families or individuals who frequently require hot water for multiple servings. Durable build. The combination of glass and stainless steel materials provides a modern, transparent look while ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to rust and corrosion. Safety features includes automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection, which ensures safety during use by turning off the kettle once the water is boiled or if it detects no water inside. Product 3. Product name: Portable Manual Cheese Slicer. The portable manual cheese slicer is a versatile kitchen gadget designed for slicing and shredding cheese, vegetables, and more with ease and precision. This multifunctional round, rotating mandolin slicer combines portability and functionality, making it a convenient tool for various kitchen tasks. Key features: rotating design. The round rotate mechanism allows for efficient slicing and grating by simply turning the handle, minimizing effort and maximizing speed. Multifunctionality. Apart from cheese, this slicer is suitable for cutting and shredding potatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and other vegetables, making it a versatile tool for meal preparation. Durable construction. Made from high-quality, food-grade materials, ensuring safety, durability, and easy cleaning. Compact and portable. Lightweight and easy to store, this slicer is ideal for kitchens with limited space or for on-the-go cooking needs. Product 4. Product name: Rotary Cheese Grater. The Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile and efficient kitchen gadget designed for shredding, slicing, and grating various food items such as cheese, butter, nuts, vegetables, and more. It features 1 to 4 interchangeable drum blades, providing flexibility for different shredding and slicing needs, from fine grating to coarse shredding. Constructed from stainless steel, the grater ensures durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting sharpness of the blades. Its ergonomic rotary design makes grating faster and safer compared to traditional methods, as the food remains securely enclosed, reducing the risk of accidental cuts. This cheese grater is an essential addition to the kitchen, suitable for preparing salads, garnishes, and desserts, or for use in recipes requiring evenly grated ingredients. Product 5. Product name: Electric Rice Cooker. The electric rice cooker is a versatile and indispensable kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation while offering multifunctionality for diverse cooking needs. Featuring compatibility with both 220V and 110V power supplies, this cooker is ideal for global usage, catering to a wide range of households. Key features: multifunctional design. Not just a rice cooker, it also serves as a stew pan and multi-cooker, allowing users to prepare various dishes such as soups, stews, porridge, and even desserts. The integrated hot pot functionality makes it perfect for shared meals like hot pot dining. Non-stick cookware. The interior is coated with a non-stick material, ensuring easy cleaning and minimal residue buildup. Enhances cooking efficiency by preventing food from sticking or burning. Product 6. Product name: French Fry Cutter. The French Fry Cutter is a versatile kitchen tool designed for efficiency and precision in food preparation. Constructed with stainless steel blades, it offers durability and resistance to rust, ensuring long-lasting performance. This manual food slicer and dicer is ideal for cutting potatoes into perfectly uniform fries, making it an essential tool for both home kitchens and professional use. Key features: high-quality material, made from premium stainless steel, the cutter ensures clean cuts and easy maintenance, while its robust construction withstands frequent use. Multifunctionality: beyond slicing potatoes for French fries, this tool doubles as a vegetable and fruit chipper, handling items like onions, carrots, cucumbers, and apples with ease. Sharp and precise blades: the ultra-sharp blades minimize effort, allowing users to achieve consistent cuts in seconds. Ergonomic design: equipped with a user-friendly handle, the cutter offers a firm grip and reduces strain during use, making it convenient for both adults and seniors. Product 7. Product name: 2000W Heavy Duty Commercial Blender. The 2000W Heavy Duty Commercial Blender is a powerful and versatile appliance designed to meet the needs of both professional kitchens and home cooking enthusiasts. Its high-performance motor and sturdy construction make it ideal for handling demanding tasks, such as blending dense ingredients, crushing ice, and preparing smoothies, soups, and sauces with ease. Key features: high power performance. Equipped with a 2000W motor, this blender delivers robust power for consistent and efficient blending, even with tough ingredients like frozen fruits and ice. Multifunctionality. Functions as a blender, food processor, and juicer, catering to diverse kitchen needs. It is perfect for making smoothies, purees, nut butters, and even grinding grains. BPA-free construction. Designed with safety in mind, the jar and other components are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring the preparation of healthy and chemical-free meals. Product 8. Product name: Electric Sausage Machine. The electric sausage machine is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for cooking and grilling a variety of foods, offering convenience and efficiency. This multifunctional device combines features that make it ideal for preparing American hot dogs, kebabs, teppanyaki dishes, barbecue items, steaks, DIY hamburgers, and even baked goods. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to both household kitchens and commercial setups like food stalls and small cafes. Key features: multifunctionality. Equipped with hot dog rollers, allowing for even and efficient cooking of sausages or frankfurters. Features a teppanyaki grill surface for stir-frying vegetables, meats, or seafood. Functions as a barbecue grill, making it suitable for preparing kebabs or steaks. Includes a baking oven section for DIY hamburgers or small baked goods. Compact and portable design. Suitable for kitchens with limited space. Portable for outdoor events, picnics, or food stalls. Product 9. Product name: Electric Pancake Maker. The Electric Pancake Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to streamline cooking pancakes, crepes, roti, and even pizzas. This device is equipped with double-sided heating plates, ensuring even cooking on both sides, eliminating the need to flip or monitor food closely. It is available in 110V and 220V variants, making it suitable for various regions and power standards. Key features: double-sided heating, both plates heat simultaneously, ensuring uniform cooking and saving time. Non-stick surface, the cooking surface prevents batter or dough from sticking, facilitating easy cleanup and better food presentation. Multifunctionality: apart from pancakes, it is ideal for making crepes, rotis, flatbreads, and even personal-sized pizzas. Compact design, its space-saving design fits well in modern kitchens, perfect for households where countertop space is at a premium. Product 10. Product name: Pasta Maker Machine. The multifunction electric wireless handheld efficient pasta maker machine is a modern kitchen appliance designed to simplify and elevate the process of homemade pasta preparation. Portable and easy to clean, this handheld device combines versatility and convenience, making it an excellent addition for any cooking enthusiast or busy household. Key features: electric and wireless design. The wireless functionality ensures mobility and ease of use, eliminating the need for constant access to power outlets during operation. A rechargeable battery enhances its convenience, allowing uninterrupted pasta making sessions. Efficient pasta making process. Equipped with powerful motors and precision mechanisms, this machine efficiently kneads dough and extrudes noodles with minimal manual effort, producing consistent results every time. Product 11. Product name: Stainless Steel Dumpling Maker. A stainless steel dumpling maker is an essential kitchen tool designed to simplify the process of making dumplings, empanadas, ravioli, pierogi, gyoza, and other filled pastries. This versatile mold and press system is typically made from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and ease of cleaning. It allows you to create uniformly shaped dumplings or pastries with consistent filling amounts, saving time and effort compared to manual shaping. The dumpling wrapper mold feature is ideal for preparing dough wrappers quickly and efficiently, making it suitable for a variety of culinary styles, from Asian to European cuisines. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for smooth operation, even during repeated use. The empanada ravioli maker press function ensures that the filling stays secure inside the dough without spilling, providing a neat and professional appearance for every piece. Product 12. Product name: Steamer Pot. A steamer pot is a versatile and essential cookware, especially useful in home kitchens for preparing a variety of steamed dishes. The Steamer Pot stainless steel Steamer Pot 5-tier stockpot is designed with multiple tiers, allowing you to steam different types of food simultaneously, which is ideal for cooking vegetables, dumplings, seafood, and other delicate dishes that require steaming. This 5-tier design maximizes space and efficiency, making it suitable for large quantities of food. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, easy maintenance, and excellent heat conduction. The steamer pot's design typically features a lid that locks in steam, preserving the natural flavors and nutrients of the food. It is perfect for cooking healthy meals with minimal oil while maintaining the integrity of the ingredients. Product 13. Product name: Silicone Bottle Cleaning Brush. The silicone bottle cleaning brush is a versatile cleaning tool designed for thorough and gentle cleaning of various items like baby bottles, pacifiers, straws, and glass cups. This brush set typically includes small brushes that can reach into narrow spaces, ensuring that every corner of the bottle or pacifier is cleaned effectively. The brush is made of silicone, which is soft yet durable, making it safe for use on delicate surfaces while still providing strong cleaning power. Its 360-degree design allows for easy maneuverability and ensures a deep clean without causing scratches or damage. Ideal for use in kitchens and households with babies or young children, this brush set is a practical and efficient cleaning solution for bottles, cups, and other small items that require a high level of hygiene. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and it is typically dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. Product 14. Product name: Spoon Filter. The spoon filter is a versatile kitchen tool designed to assist with various cooking tasks, particularly when straining liquids or draining excess oils from food. Made of durable nylon, this tool features a spoon-like design with a fine mesh that allows it to function as both a scoop and a strainer. Its ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold and maneuver, while the nylon material ensures it is gentle on cookware, preventing scratches or damage to delicate surfaces. This kitchen accessory is ideal for tasks like scooping noodles from boiling water, draining fried food, or straining soups, making it a must-have addition to your cooking toolkit. Its lightweight design and effective straining capability make it a practical choice for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. Product 15. Product name: Garlic Crusher. A garlic crusher is a versatile kitchen gadget designed to make garlic preparation quick and effortless. The new kitchen multifunctional garlic crusher manual garlic press roll crusher chopper is a practical appliance for anyone who enjoys cooking with garlic but wants to avoid the mess and tedious task of mincing by hand. This garlic press typically features ergonomic handles that allow easy squeezing, efficiently crushing garlic cloves into small pieces. Some models also incorporate a roll crusher design, which offers a simple, effective way to crush garlic with minimal effort. As part of a broader range of kitchen gadgets and accessories, this garlic crusher can streamline meal prep, making it an essential tool for home cooks and professional chefs alike. It's particularly useful for garlic enthusiasts who frequently use fresh garlic in recipes, as it helps release the natural oils and flavors of garlic without the need for chopping or using a knife. Its manual operation means it's energy efficient and simple to clean, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Product 16. Product name: Stainless Steel Corn Peeler. A stainless steel corn peeler is a versatile kitchen gadget designed for effortlessly removing kernels from corn cobs. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and ease of use. This tool features a serrated edge, which allows it to efficiently cut through the corn kernels without damaging them, providing a clean and quick peeling experience. The cob shaver and planer design make it an excellent tool for both home kitchens and professional cooking environments, making it ideal for preparing fresh corn for dishes like salads, soups, and salsas. The corn stripper or thresher cutter is especially useful for anyone looking to remove kernels without the mess or difficulty of traditional methods. The stainless steel construction offers resistance to rust and corrosion, while its ergonomic handle provides comfort and control during use. Product 17. Product name: Can Opener. Their new stainless steel Can Opener multifunctional professional tin manual side cut can opener beer bottle opener kitchen gadgets is a versatile and essential kitchen tool designed for ease of use and durability. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this can opener features a manual side cutting mechanism that offers smooth, safe, and effortless opening of tins and cans. Unlike traditional top-cut can openers, the side cut design provides a clean edge, reducing the risk of sharp edges that can cause injury. Additionally, it functions as a beer bottle opener, making it a multifunctional gadget for various kitchen tasks. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during prolonged use, while its compact design allows for easy storage. This can opener is a must-have for anyone seeking efficiency and reliability in the kitchen, whether for opening cans, jars, or bottles, making it a valuable addition to the collection of kitchen tools and gadgets. Product 18. Product name: Work Protection Mask. The Work Protection Mask, in the context of kitchen accessories and gadgets, refers to a transparent facial shield designed to provide protection during work tasks, especially in environments like kitchens or workplaces where safety is a priority. This transparent facial protector acts as a barrier against airborne particles, splashes, and potential contaminants. It offers clear visibility while ensuring comfort and protection. The mask is lightweight, easy to wear, and designed for extended use, making it ideal for professionals or anyone looking for a practical solution for face protection in work settings. With its clear design, it doesn't obstruct vision, making it perfect for tasks where precision and safety are crucial. Product 19. Product name: Detachable Kiwi Cutter. The detachable Kiwi Cutter is a creative and practical kitchen tool designed for efficient fruit preparation. It features a unique, detachable design that makes it easy to peel, slice, and core kiwis, while also being versatile enough to handle other fruits like lemons. This kitchen gadget is ideal for creating salads, fruit garnishes, or simply enjoying fresh fruit without the hassle of traditional peeling methods. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the sharp blades enable quick and precise cuts. The detachable feature allows for easy cleaning and convenient storage, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen, especially for those who enjoy preparing fresh, healthy dishes. This Kiwi Cutter is a great example of modern kitchen gadgets and accessories that simplify food.